Hello everyone, dear subscribers, dear friends. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can view TikTok history on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Write whether my solution helped you or not. I will read all comments and reply to everyone. Watch this video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we open TikTok. After we have opened it with you, we click on Profile. In the upper right corner, I click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom. Activity Center. Then we can see the browsing history, comment history, search history. Click Browsing History, and we can see what we have seen in recommendations recently. We can also click Comment History and see the comments that we have left recently, and also see the search history that we have written in our TikTok profile. This is how you can view the history of TikTok on iPhone. Subscribe to the channel. Give us likes if you like this video. Write comments. Goodbye.